Welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight we'll be making an orange margarita. It is simpler than it sounds and it tastes perfectly natural with this 21 Seeds Orange. So again, go ahead and share with your friends, like it, and let's make it better than average drink in less than average time. So we're gonna get started with a shaker. Ice is already in there and this is very simple. So first we're gonna put some freshly squeezed lime juice in there. We're gonna go with just over ½ an ounce. And then after that, we're gonna put in the agave syrup. That is also just ½ an ounce right there. That gives a little more sweetness to the flavor. Now finally, we are going to put in this 21 Seeds Valencia Orange. So it gives you the tequila, it gives you some orange flavor, but also it's not overbearing or any of that unnatural sweetness that just gets a little too sweet and gives you a headache. So we'll put that 1½ ounces of tequila right down that. And now we're gonna go ahead and shake it up. Okay, so we got that shaken up. We're gonna go ahead and pour it down, strain it on top of some ice in that glass. Get it all in. And now we're gonna garnish it. Most people will garnish with salt. We're gonna do something just a little different. No salt today, but we're gonna have orange and lime. Cheese Butte Clark. Cheers.